Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by keeping your contacts safe in iCloud. This prevents loss when resetting. First, turn on Contacts Sync in Settings under your Apple ID and force an iCloud backup, now so the latest data is stored. Once done, confirm your device is on Wi-Fi and has over 50% battery or connect to power. Make sure you know your Apple ID password. You'll need it after the reset. These steps avoid account conflicts and ensure contacts remain tied to iCloud rather than the device. Now perform the actual reset but preserve data. Go to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone and pick Reset. Choose either Reset Network Settings or Reset All Settings to clear preferences without deleting iCloud synced contacts. Reset All Settings reverts system settings but leaves apps and iCloud data intact. Once initiated, the phone restarts and asks for your passcode. Enter it. This approach cleans system level. Complete the process by checking contacts in Settings under your Apple ID to confirm they reappeared. If you don't see them, toggle contacts off and then back on. Wait a minute for iCloud to resync. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to force a full sync. As a key troubleshooting tip, always export a vCard from iCloud. Calm before any erase. It's a simple offline copy that safeguards you if sync problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.